Today we will talk about the left and the right brain. Both left and right brain have a few characteristics dominant in them. After knowing those, you will figure out which side of your brain is more active. The objective of this video is to understand that and then develop the other side of the brain or the other traits in order to enhance your brain power and maximize your capacity. Let's take a small test. Look at all these words given and read the color. You will notice that either you have read this as yellow or you have announced it as green. Now, if you read it as yellow, then the left side of your brain is very active. But if you called it green, then you heard the question right and you just looked at the color, which is the trait of the right brain. The left brain is responsible for reason, logic, maths, language, vision, sense of time, whereas the right side, also looking more colorful here, is responsible for colors, art, music, creativity, intuition, and emotions. The left brain people are usually very good with science and maths, and the right brain people are good at art, music, and language, especially in case of poetry or fiction writing. If both these people were to watch a movie, or you can just look at this example around you, that after a movie, some people are talking about the quality of script, technology used, film directing, acting skills, etc. These kind of people have left brain dominance, and people who are deeply impacted by the various experiences of the characters, atmosphere of the movie, emotions, these people are all the right brain people. They can be in a similar field but in slightly different roles. Let's look at web designing and web development. Both of them have something to do with a similar profession, but a person with left brain would be good at doing the development part, which means more of coding, and the person with right brain would be very good at designing. That means the layout, colors, screen, and other things. So the left brain people are realistic, linear, analytical, logical. They really have a lot of things in control. They're good with math, science, and are very practical. The people with right side have a very free spirit. They are good at art, poetry, passion, taste. All these things are their qualities. You would surely have a mix of all of them. But no matter what kind of mix we have, we would all benefit if somehow we could have all the traits in us. So, how to do that? How to cultivate both the left and the right side of your brain? It's not all that tough. Number one, switch hands. So, if you write with your left hand, start writing with your right hand. Not all the time, but at least sometimes. Or maybe if you're a right hand person, eat with your left hand, you could brush your teeth with left hand, or do some jobs. Try new things. Learn a new language. Learning a language really helps the development of both left and the right side brain. Playing games is very good because most of the games have element of both left and right brain. Take a walk. You could even try exercises and yoga. You must have noticed that in yoga, most of the asanas have a left side and then a right side activity, so that both the sides of your brain, your body, your muscles, your nerves, everything gets into activity. Look at the nature, the color, the fragrance, the feeling, the vibe. and also the science behind the nature. Doing that will really help you a lot. Listen to good music because if your mind is calm, then trust me, both your left and right brain will work effectively. Meet different people. Each person is a book. So if you meet a person, it's almost really discovering a lot for yourself. Take new routes, not just routes, even at home. A lot of people are used to sitting on the same chair, sleeping on the same side of the bed. Well, take a turn, sit elsewhere, sleep on another bed. This is very good for your mental brain. Read your books aloud. The words, which is the faculty of the left brain, will grow, and when you pronounce them, your pitch, your tone, volume will help you develop the right brain. And it will be great if you could balance them both and actually have an acumen of both your left and right brain. So, wishing you a lot of brain power, happy learning, and God bless.